our flight got canceled.
Our goal is to find some toilet paper.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new here. I'm still in Thailand today and I should have left, but we decided to stay another 2 more days. We're gonna enjoy our last days here. We actually are moving to another hotel right now. We are leaving this villa. I really like this villa. It was really nice. It's currently 11:37 and we'll check out of here in like 20 minutes. So we packed our stuff last minute and we have to call a taxi to get to our other hotel. Today's video is just going to be a little last day in Thailand vlog video. I don't know what we're gonna do today. We have no plans. We're just gonna see, but the weather is a bit gloomy today, which is a little bit of a bummer, but it's okay. I'm not gonna let the weather stop us from having fun. We made it to our new hotel. Oh, so this is the swimming area. We made it to our room. I'm going to give you guys a short room tour. So as you walk in the door, there's the little kitchen area right here. We have this little like living room situation, the TV, and the couch. There is a little balcony out here. Wow. Balcony is pretty big. It's bigger than I expected. And then directly here we have the bed. Little vanity to do my makeup here. Little sitting area. Storage space here. The bathroom. And the shower. We're gonna unpack our stuff now and then go explore a little bit. Guys, right now our goal is to find some toilet paper. There's a dead frog. He fried. We can't find any toilet paper anywhere. The weather is so warm today. Morning, you guys. Happy April. It is bright and early. I didn't sleep so well last night. I have no idea why. Maybe because of the weather. I don't know, but we were actually supposed to be flying back to Seoul today, but joke's on us. Our flight got canceled. It's not an April Fool's joke. Our flight actually got canceled and they never really explained to us why our flight got canceled, but we booked a new flight for tomorrow. So we're staying another night here in the hotel. And yeah, to be honest, I am ready to go home and just be home and get back to my routine. I really enjoyed my time here. I have no idea what we're gonna do today. I am hoping to go out for the last time and enjoy a nice dinner or a lunch, something like that. And I also really wanted to stop by this bakery where they make really good sourdough breads, because in Korea they don't make that for some reason and it's so expensive and hard to find. So excuse my voice, but yeah, I wanted to go buy, I don't know, like 4 loaves of bread and then freeze them and then take them back to Korea. Other than that, we just ordered breakfast. Hi guys, this is our last full day. We're gonna just enjoy our last day at the beach, so I'm all dressed up and ready to go.
One hour later.
My fave beach bag. Peace signs up. I want to eat something real good tonight. You too? side right here. We can get it.